In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Word to PowerPoint. This skill can be particularly useful if you're preparing a comprehensive presentation and want to make sure your Word documents are easily accessible within your PowerPoint slides. Let's dive right in and simplify this process. Start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. With PowerPoint open, the next step is to access the specific presentation where you'd like to include your Word document. Once you've got your presentation ready, you'll want to head over to the Insert tab on the PowerPoint toolbar. The Insert tab is your go-to for adding various elements to your slides, whether they are images, charts, or objects as we're doing today. After you're in the Insert tab, look for the Object button and give it a click. This option allows PowerPoint to integrate external files, like Word documents, into your slides. Once you've clicked on Object, a new window will pop up with several options. Among these options, you'll want to select Create from File. This tells PowerPoint you're planning to use an existing document from your computer. Now click on Browse to locate your Word file. This action will open your file directory, allowing you to find the particular Word document you want to link. Take a moment here to ensure you're choosing the correct file. Browse through your folders, and once you've located your Word document, click on it to select it and then press Insert. You're almost done. After selecting your file, go ahead and click the OK button in the Insert Object window. By doing this, you've effectively linked your Word document to your PowerPoint presentation slide. And that's it. You have now successfully linked your Word document to PowerPoint. As you can see, it's a straightforward process that opens up a range of possibilities for enhancing your presentations, making them more dynamic and information rich. Embedding files is a powerful way to ensure everything you need is at your fingertips during your presentation, whether for your own reference or to share additional resources with your audience. If you ever need to update the document, just ensure it's updated on your computer, and the link in PowerPoint will automatically reflect those changes without the need to reinsert the file. Remember, this method doesn't just streamline your workflow, but it also adds a layer of professionalism to the presentations you create. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you'll now be able to link your Word documents to your PowerPoint presentations with ease. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.